Our SEG products are available in both backlit and non-lit options. It uses silicone-edge fabric that fits neatly into an aluminum frame. Once installed, the surface is perfectly smooth with almost no visible border. Clean, modern, and premium. The zip-up backdrop setup is as easy as dressing the frame. Build the tube structure, slip the fabric over it, zip it up, and you're ready to go. Lightweight and portable, graphics can be changed in no time. With multiple modular configurations, it's perfect for creating versatile booth layouts. Here are the standard zip-up backdrop and the backlit zip-up backdrop. The pop-up backdrop. Just like the name suggests, it pops right up. The folding frame expands instantly with standard graphics attaching easily using Velcro. For backlit versions, the graphics are stretched and secured into the frame. Standard pop-up display and an illuminated pop-up display. Lights on. SEG delivers the most premium look, zip-up offers the greatest flexibility, and pop-up is the fastest to set up. Choose the right solution for your event and make your display truly stand out.